but they couldn't solve linear equations two variables by elimination and cross multiplications. So if you feel easy, okay, this method also you can use it. Okay, listen, the word problems, hello, word problems, I just formed the equations solving your part. You can use by elimination method, cross multiplication method, or substitution method. Any method you can apply it. Okay. I feel easiest way elimination method. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, I'll tell you how to use the cross multiplication method. Don't write anything. Just listen. Okay. I hope your school also started. DPS started this one. Cross multiplication method, right? Okay. Okay, you have idea. Okay. Okay. Anyway, listen here. Come on. Now after today we'll finish cross multiplication method. After that, we'll start the word problems. Word problems, you have to read the question and form the equations. Solving any method, there is no restrictions. But so just solving the question comes by using cross multiplication or substitution or elimination like that. Okay. So now look at here. This is the theoretical part. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. First equation. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. There are two equations now here. Okay. First of all, you write first x, y, 1. Come on. In cross multiplication itself, 2-3 types there is. Okay. Cross multiplication itself, 2-3 method there is or type there is. We follow one of the method. This is as per the reader. Okay. Maybe your school may be different. You can follow that. Okay. Okay. You write first x, y, 1 because you want to find out x and y. If you want to find a and b, no, a is a constant here. Which variable you have to find out that. Then under x, you write the coefficients of y. That is b1, b2 under the coefficients of y. That will start from here. Okay. Then c1, c2. Then you reach here now. Okay, A1, A2, B1, B2. Again, write B1, B2, like that. Start here, here, and here each. Where you started from B1, B1, C1, A1, B1, like that. Okay, A, B, C, B, C, A, B, like that. Clear or not? How to write understood or not? Hello, how to writing understood or not? Yeah, listen. Yeah, Kashina, listen here. I know it's not an easy one. Look, first list x, y, 1. That okay or not? Okay. Wait. Today we'll discuss this part only. Listen. First you write x, y, 1. Okay. After that, under x, write the coefficients of y. Coefficient of y is what? B1, B2, B1, B2. Here B1, B2, then constant C1, C2, then x coefficients A1, A2, B1, B2, like that. I'll show one example. Look at here. I'll show one example. Look, 3x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. First, you write x, y, 1. First write x, y, 1, alpha. Then under x, coefficient of y, that is what? 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Constant, 10, 5. Then 3, 2. Again, 2 minus 5. Are you okay? Writing understood or not? First you write x, y, 1. First you write x, y, 1. After that, coefficient of y, 2 minus 5. This 2 minus 5, start from here. Okay, then reach here and back here, like that. A circle. 10, 5, then 3, 2, again 2 minus 5. This is the writing. Okay. are you okay? Is it okay or not? I'll try another one. Look at here. So take your time. It will take time. Okay, no need to worry about it. 5x plus 2y minus 10 equal to, like, right? Or suppose x plus y equal to 10. You can write what? X plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Like this, that format. X, y, some constant like this format. Okay. Okay or not? Verona, is it okay? Madhav. Okay, then. So then next equation. Hello, next equation. 3x plus 10y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, what will write? First x, y, 1. Then 2, 10, minus 10, minus 3, 5, 3, 2, 10. Are you okay or not? This one. Yeah, that's the Kashina. This is a theoretical part. No, it is the system like that. Okay. Because the proof we're not learning now. Lohi, I didn't do anything. Look. First, you write what are the variables you have to find out? X and y. X, y, 1. Oh, right. List that one. Under x, you write the coefficient of y, 2, 10. Then constant, minus 10, minus 3. Then okay, just reconnect it, mother. Then 2, 10, minus 10, minus 3. Then 5 and 3, 2, 10. Yeah, no, don't take it. No, if you take it other side, it will be different type only. This is as per the reader. Okay, Inaya. Okay, if you are taking other side, it will be another type. Okay, so now you take, this is the format as per the reader, because our equation like that what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This format. Okay. Okay, listen here now. I hope I understood how to write it. After that, I am going to explain to you. Come on. How to list it, understood or not? Anyone had doubt? Aliza, others. Hey, come on. Anyone have write? Tell me now. How to write? Viveka, are you okay? Okay, so now I'm going back to the original. Now I'm going to the original. Okay, look at here. Look. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. Then, as usually, write x, y, 1, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. You write like this. Okay. X coefficients, y coefficients, constant, x and y. After that. Okay, clear now. Then you x. Okay, now we don't want this equation because there is no space here. Okay, look. You start from here like this. This cross multiplication, right? Okay, start from the top. X divided by b1 c2. Not to by heart it. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to x y divided by from here c1 a2 c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to next here 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, like this you write. Okay, Madhav, are you getting or not? Look at here. Look, X, Y, 1, B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, this one cross B1, C2, B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Okay, then C1, A2. This is going here. Start from here. Then A1, B2, A2, B1. Clear or not? No need to by heart it. Hello, not to by heart it. Nothing to by heart. You just this into this one minus this into this one. That is X. Y, C1, this into this one, and C2, A1. Okay. Clear or not? Come on. If you have doubt, tell me now. Then only you can proceed next. Coefficient part just Madhav, coefficient part just list it. Under X, you write coefficient of Y. Under Y, coefficient of, sorry, constant terms. Constant terms. Then under 1, you can write coefficient of X. Then one more Y coefficients. Okay. That I'll explain to you when we do the actual problems. Okay. Okay. Come on. One thing you have to remember: B1, C2 minus. There is one minus. There is here one negative. There is. Hello. This is important part. Hello. Look at here. B1, C2 minus. That means if in case C1 is negative, then what will be? It will be positive. Understood or not? Because if B2 or C1 is negative, this will be B1 C2 plus B2 C1, because one negative is already there. One negative already there. In addition, and one more negative. You can check one negative in your pocket. One negative behind the screen. Okay. Then B1 C2 minus B2 C2. That negative cannot see. But in case this is negative, it will be positive. In case this is also negative, that again negative. Why? 3 negatives. Understood or not? Practically, when we do this will be okay. Prashna, listen. The question here, B1 C2 minus B1 C2 minus B2 C1. That minus, I told you one minus, that minus behind the screen. Okay. Okay, when suppose in the question this is negative, so it will be positive. But B1 C2 plus B2 C1. Now clear or not? Now clear or not? Okay. So suppose here also negative. Then what? B1 C2 plus B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Why? 3 negatives there is. Okay. Clear now? Okay, now look at here now. So this is the theoretical part. Now I'll show you. You have to remember, when you multiply these two, take care, one negative is there. That's important. Okay. So we'll start some question, then we'll come to know. Okay, practically. Okay. So understood how to handle the negative. Is it okay or not? Okay, now we'll start the question. Don't write anything, just listen here. Okay. We can utilize this class today only for this method. If you have time, only I'll go to the. Okay, look at here. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 26 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 26 equal to 0. Okay, this method advantage is no need to worry about the which number to multiply or which one to add or something. Okay, and some particular question. Look at here. Some particular question only this method only applicable. Okay, I think years back one question came. Those who use the elimination substitution, they couldn't finalize it. Those who use the cross multiplication, within 2-3 minutes they finish. Okay, so careful this method also. Question may ask if it is in the syllabus, if it is in the syllabus, question may comes, use cross multiplication method. I strongly believe, I feel this will be deleted. I feel like that, but at present the syllabus is there. Okay. Okay. So look at here now. Anyway, you have to learn one method. That's only okay. Now look at here how to handle it. Hello, this is the question. Make the equation. Make the equation this style. Which style? Ax plus by plus c. Not like this. X plus y equal to 3. Bring it minus 3 here. That's all. Clear now? This is the basic level class. Clear or not? Anyone had doubt? Anyone had doubt? Tell me first. Okay. Then after that, here you write x, y, 1. X, y, 1 under y, x is 1 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 26. 1, 4, 1 minus 3. Agree on. Okay. Can see the board full, right now? Okay. Under x, 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 26, 1, 4, 1 minus 3. This writing clear now? Anyone doubt? Tell me first. If right, anyone have writing how to write this one, we will discuss it. Okay. Okay, clear now? Everyone okay? Viveka, Vidya, Varnit, Yashvi, Tanusri, Danish, Sushant, Rohi, Sad. Okay. After that, now we are going to start the action. Okay. I know this is not easy, but I want to do. Okay. But some questions, some particular questions, you have to use this method only. I'll give some type of questions. Okay. That's star questions. Okay. So now look at here. X divided by. Okay. Look. 1 into minus 26. What? Minus 26. Okay. Nia. How many negative here? Minus 3, minus 3. How many negative here? How many negatives here? Hello, Nia. No, 3 negatives. 3 negatives. Come on. 3 negatives. Asma, correct. 3 negatives. Why? 1 is behind the screen. Understood? No. 1 is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 from your pocket. So 3 negative. 3 negative, of course, what negative only. So minus 9. Agree or no? Is it okay? Because 1 negative behind the screen. 1 negative behind the screen. Negative 1, negative 2 plus in your pocket. Okay. Equal to y divided by minus 12. Okay. How many negative here? Minus 26, 1. How many negative here? 2. 2 negatives here. Correct or not? That means 2 negative means positive. Plus 26. Equal to 1 divided by minus 3. No negative. How many negative? 1 negative. Here 1 negative. Correct or not? 4 into 1, 1 negative. So minus 4. Agree or not? Writing or understood or not? Hello. Is it okay? Once again, x into 1 into minus 26. X. Okay, if you want a cross, 1 cross. Method is named cross. Okay, cross. Okay. 1 into minus 26 minus 9. Why minus 9? Why? Yes, it is a bit complicated, sir. But what can I do? Okay, it is in the syllabus. Last year it is dropped. Last year dropped. 1 year before also dropped. But this year they back. Okay. Okay. It is. I think it is dropped in 2019-20 dropped. 2019-20 dropped. 20 dropped. Okay. 21 they back. Okay. Okay. One into. Actually, no. If you have some students, they are very easy. They do it. Okay. 1 into minus 26. This become minus minus. minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 26. Minus 3 minus 4. I think this batch it is more easy. I feel like that. If you okay, because first batch last Thursday maybe I didn't explain more that in that batch. Okay, I thought I directly started the word problems. In between we stuck and started. Okay. So now here x divided by how much this one? 26 minus minus 35. Correct or no? Equal to y divided by how much? 26 minus 12. How much? 14. Okay, 14 equal to 1 divided by minus 7. 1 divided by minus 7. It is no. It is quite easy if you are practice now. It's very easy. Okay, just like channel TV tuning. If you're getting channel, you come to know whether you're okay. You are going to get like that. Okay. So here now final step. Equate x divided by minus 35 equal to 1 by minus 7. Equate these two. Okay. So what that? 7x equal to 35. Why? Both are negative. Minus 12. Where who's asking Saad? Okay, look at here. Minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4 what? Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Then one negative behind the screen, that is plus 26. Always keep in your mind one negative in your pocket. That negative, this negative become positive. Okay. So now 7x equal to 35, x equal to what? 5. X equal to 5. And equate these two. These two, what? Minus 7y equal to 14. Minus 7y equal to 14. Y equal to what? Y equal to minus 2. Okay, correct or not? 5 plus 5 plus minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. I hope you didn't understand anything. I'll explain with another question. Okay, I'll come back with another question. Okay. Equating Kashina, equating these two. Look, this one x equating y equate like that. Equate to x equate to constant, y equate to constant like that. Okay, I'll show another question. Okay, look at here. Don't write. After that, we'll until if thorough this method, don't write anything. Okay. Okay. Look at here now. Next question. Look. Look, the question, x plus y. You can see the question, right? You can see the board, right or no? Everyone can see the board, right? Okay. Okay. We want to increase the x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. 5x plus 12y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation. No, don't. I'll show minimum 5 questions. After that, you can try. Okay, don't try now. Okay. Okay, listen here. Here, first x, y, 1. X, y, 1. Okay. Then under x, what is right? 1, 12. Then minus 7, 1, 5, 1, 12. This writing okay or not? Hello. This writing okay or not? Okay. 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 Then look at here now. Writing. Anyone have doubt? The writing okay? Clear now? Anyone have doubt? Tell me first. Then after that, the method over. The method over, you'll be in trouble because when we start the word questions, you have to use any of the method. You can use any of the method. Okay. So you should know the method. Okay. Now after that, x divided by. Look at here. X divided by. I'm going to multiply. Look, 1 into minus 7. 1 into minus 7. Minus 7. Okay. Kashinath, how many negative here? Here, how many negative? 2. 2 negative there is. So plus 84. Saad, understood or not? Saad, 1 into minus 7 plus 84. Why 84? 12 into 7, 84. Correct or not? 12 into 7 is 84. No, I'm not sure. No, 84, right? Okay. Listen, what I'm writing the digit multiplication, subtraction. I'm not guaranteed that. That you have to check it. Okay. Then don't come back with the video. You made a mistake. 7 into 84. I wrote 7 into 12 into 7, 84. I wrote like that. Okay. This is your responsibility. Okay. Then this is clear now. Anyone had doubt? This one. Ruben. Both Ruben. Yeah, one negative, Saad, one negative, keep in your mind. 1 into minus 7. While coming back here, that negative into this one. 12 into minus 7, one negative in your pocket. So 84. Plus 84. That's why it will become plus 84. Any doubt? Ramsha, is it okay? Hello, Ramsha. Sairam, is it okay? Saman. How to get 84? 84. 84, okay, no, see? 12 into 7. 12 into 7, 84. But one negative already there. So 2 negative. That's why I ask you how many negatives here. So 2 negative 84 equal to y divided by 7 minus 7 into 5 minus 35. Okay. Here now. Here how many negative? Here how many negative? How many negative? Come on. 2 negative. 2 negative become plus 7 equal to 1 divided by, look, 1 into 12. How many negative here? 5 and 1. How many negative here? How many negatives? 1 negative. So that means minus 5. Okay. This is actually just for easy way. I'm telling you. Okay. How many negative? 2 negative and all. Okay. So then x divided by 77 equal to 1 divided by minus 28 equal to 1 by 7. Right? X divided by 70 minus. No. Start from here only, no. Here only negative start. Neither 1 into 12 minus, look, this into this one minus this into this one. They are only negative start. Second multiplication only negative start. Okay? Correct or no? Okay. Now, we got here x by 77 equal to 1 by minus 28 equal to 1 by 7. Okay? 1 by, yeah, y by minus 28. Minus 28, correct or no? Minus 35 plus 7. Minus 28. Okay. Okay. After that, now we are going to equate. Look at here. We're going to equate x by 77 equal to 1 by 7. 7x equal to 77. X equal to 11. Okay. X equal to 11. Then, if you want, you can give it here 11 plus. Okay. Or how to see the y? Okay. 1 by minus 28 equal to 1 by 7. Sorry, y. Okay. Y. 7y equal to minus 24. Y equal to minus 4. Y equal to minus 4. Is it okay? Is it okay or not? Delna. Okay, where you reach? Where you didn't get it? You reach up to here, Saad. You reach up to here or not? After that only problem. Okay, then easy. Look at here. Then you equate. Okay, equate these two. What? X by 77 equal to 1 by 7. 7x equal to 77. X by 77. Look. X divided by 77 equal to 1 by 7. Cross multiply. 7x equal to 77. X equal to 11. Okay. Similarly, y by minus 28 equal to 1 by 7. 7y equal to minus 28. X equal to minus 4. Y equal to minus 4. Okay. This is minus 28. Y equal to minus 4. Clear now? Yeah. You have to cross multiply. Yes, you have to cross multiply first and third, second and third. First and third, second and third. To get x, first and third. To get y, second and third. Yes, cross multiplication. Yes, cross multiplication I did. To get x. Okay, now I'll show you one question. Now look at here. Okay, 2x plus 3y minus 17 equal to 0. 2x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, listen, others, listen here now. Another example here. Okay, so method all same only. Listen here. Okay. No, don't write Kashina. Wait, why is so hurry? I'll explain after that. When you're all okay, then you start it. Okay. Okay. So look at here now. First you write x, y, 1. Okay. Then 3 minus 2 minus 17 minus 6. 2, 3 minus 2. Okay. Anyone have doubt about how to write this one? Anyone have doubt about how to write this one? Okay. Shreya, clear now? Sham, Shayan, Sridarshini. Anyone have doubt about this, how to write this? Then that's the main part. Okay, if you're writing here, okay, come on. Asma, you only said last question answer, and now you're telling me how to write this one. You said last class, last questions you said how many negative, and only explain to me. Now you're asking how to write this one. Writing for me, no problem. First you write x, y, 1. X, y, 1, because we want to find x and y. And okay, under x, write the coefficients. Coefficient of y, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Then minus 7, 6 constant, minus 7, minus 6. Then x coefficients 2, 2. Then again y, 3 minus 2. Okay, clear now? How to that part already I cleared for everyone. Just now I ask you, anyone have doubt about them telling that doubt? Okay, now look at here, how to write this one, clear or not? Okay, it's an A, come on. Anyone have doubt how to write this coefficients? It's clear. Then all I'm going to start. Okay, now look. Okay, I just write line. Okay, when you're smart, no need to write the line and just for information. Okay, now I'm right here x divided by, okay, 3 into minus 6, minus 18. Okay. How many negative here? Here, how many negative? 3 negatives. Correct or no? 3 negatives. Inaya. Okay. Nia. Okay. Where is Nia? Hello. Okay. 3 negative there is. So plus minus 34. Correct or no? 17 into 2. 34. Correct or no? Okay. Then equal to y divided by minus 34 plus 12. Y plus minus 6, 2 negatives, equal to 1 divided by minus 4 minus 6. 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 6. This step, okay. I hope everyone clear this step. What about this step, clear or not? It's very easy. Actually, now we feel very easy. Oh, this is very easy. Don't have to think about what you have to multiply, what you have to subtract and do. Okay, very simple. Okay. Clear now? This is clear or not? Up to here, okay. Now, x divided by, how much this one? Minus 18 minus 34, how much? Minus 18 minus 34. Is it minus 52? Minus 52. Okay, minus 52. This all you guaranteed. Okay, not me. Y divided by minus 34 plus 12. Minus 34 plus 12. Minus 22. Sure, no? Okay, minus 22. 1 divided by minus 10. 1 divided by minus 10. Okay, equating. 10x equal to 10x equal to minus 52. Minus 10x. X equal to 52 divided by 10. Okay. 5.2 decimals. Right? Decimals. No, something wrong. Something wrong. Hello, it's not decimal. Something wrong we did. Find out that. Something wrong. What is that? Someone, hey, check everywhere. Here, something mistake there is. 34 minus 12, 22. Seventeen into. Hey, just all check. 17. Hello, everyone. I just check the board. Something mistake. It's not matching the answer. Minus 18, minus 18, minus 34. That is correct. Minus 12. I know what is the mistake. What happened? No, nothing happened. Mistake is correct because the question I made a mistake. The question I made a mistake. Sure. Yes, question I made a mistake. No. Question no need to correct only. Okay. Yeah, listen here. Now look at here. It's correct. Okay, it's correct. Okay, listen here, others. Cross one minus 10x equal to minus 52, x equal to 5.2. No problem. Okay. Second part. My y by minus 22 equal to 1 by minus 10. What happened? Minus 10y equal to minus 22. Y equal to what? 22 by 10. Y equal to 22 by 10. Okay. Because the question there was error. That's why we didn't get the correct answer. Okay. Okay, we'll see another question now. Come on. I'll show you another question. Look. So today we are doing this method only, so we can discuss it. Okay, look at it. 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Let me check the question full correct or not. X plus 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Look, x, y, 1. Okay. Then what? Minus 1, 1. Minus 3, minus 3. 2, 4. Minus 1, 1. Are you okay? This writing? Others, writing okay or not? Hey, come on. Hello, look at how writing okay? Sri Kumaran. Minus 1, 1. Minus 3, minus 3. 2, 4, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Okay. This is okay. Then when you write minus, no, minus clearly write, because last our test question, some guys minus or writing like this, then minus 1. Not like this. Like this. I don't know what writing is. Cancel and write like this. I don't understand what sign that one. Okay. Okay, now here x divided by minus 1 minus 3. What? Minus 3 plus 3. Right or no? 3 plus 3. Agree or no? Hey, how you got this? Is it okay? Minus 1 minus 1. You got this one? Minus 1 minus 3, 3. 1 negative behind the screen, positive 3 equal to y divided by minus 12 plus 6. Okay. Equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 6. 2 plus 8. Correct? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Okay. So x by 6 equal to y by minus 6 equal to 1 by 6. Okay. X equal to what? 1. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. X equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Okay. Are you okay or not? Come on. Okay, I'll show you another question. I'll show you one more. Hey, one more question I'll show you. After that, I hope it will be okay. After that, you can try. Okay. Are you ready now? Okay. After adding denominator, we did no. Others, look at here. We got x by 6, x by 6, y by minus 6, 1 by 6. Then cross multiply. It's same question asking. Look, we got like this. Okay. Then equate these. X by 6 equal to 1 by 6. 6x equal to 6. X equal to 1. Samjha? Others. Then equate these. 6y equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 1. Okay. I'm going to show one more question. After that, careful all. Okay. You have to do all the questions with this method. Whatever we did, all I think 10 questions. You have to use this one. Okay. Because you have practice this one, then only you'll get speed. Maybe you feel this is very easy. That's up to you. Okay. Okay. Where is Aditya? Hello, Aditya. Okay, it is okay now. Look at here. So now, now you have 3 methods. There is elimination method, cross multiplication, and substitution. You can use any easiest method. Okay, just solving. For example, x plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 8. This one simple. This one, what will do? This one don't go for any other method. Just what? Just add 2x equal to 18, x equal to 9, y equal to 1. This type of question is very simple. Don't go for a cross multiplication and all. Okay, just to kill a mosquito. Don't use the AK-47 gun and all. Okay, like that only. This is simple. Okay, some particular questions. Look at here. Some particular questions they will inform. They will tell you use the cross multiplication, then only use it. Okay. Otherwise, which method you feel easiest? Maybe elimination method you feel difficulties. You have to think about. Hello. Substitution, okay, you can do it. Elimination, okay, you have to think a little bit. What you have to multiply, what you have to eliminate, and okay. Substitution very simple, x equal to or y equal to. Okay. Elimination not like that. Elimination is the easiest method, but you have to think about it. What you have to eliminate, what you have to substitute. Okay. After that, after getting the answer, okay, I noticed that many guys x somewhere. Okay, our test is your answer is very difficult to find out. The horrible. What you will do after getting the answer, you write in a box. Okay, x equal to y equal to like this. Okay, your answer is very difficult to find out. Just like a Friday market, x equal to somewhere, y equal to somewhere. Okay, the board guys, because of course you should write the board. Okay, in 2022. Okay, so they won't care about your mark. They didn't find your x, they will cut it. Okay, you cannot go for a reevaluation and all. Only as per the CBSE rule, no reevaluation, recalculation only. Okay, so you cannot see your paper also. So neatly write, and after getting the answer full, not only this chapter, right, in a box, write first the answer there. They check the answer, then okay. Clear now? Okay. This is, I saw x one page, y some other page. It will be difficult. Okay. Okay. Now, so listen here. After that, we will start the word problems. Word problems. There is no restrictions. Which method? You can select your own method. Okay. So next question, right? No, don't write. X plus, this is the last question now. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Make those who have Inaya Srinivasan, your school finished this one, right or not? Inaya, yeah. See, Srigumaran saying elimination. This method is easy for you. Okay. Inaya, yeah. DPS class. This is finished now. Same method or taken to other side. That's up to you. Any method you can use it. I told you cross multiplication itself 2-3 types there is. Any other method, no problem. Okay. Is it same method? Bhavan's using same method only, but not Bhavan's, other smart. Okay. Okay. So now x plus, this is a reader method. I just prefer reader method. Okay. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Right? Make the question one side, like x plus y equal to 8. Bring it x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Clear now? Okay. Now we are going to make the table. Look. Okay. X, y, 1. Okay. 2 minus 3, 1 minus 12, 1, 2, 2 minus 3. So, okay, now how to write? That's not getting done, otherwise you will suffer it later. Okay. Okay. X, y, 1, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 12, 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 3. It's clear or not? Asma, is it okay? Okay, now we are going to start second step. The first step here now. x divided by 2 into minus 12, what? Minus 24 plus 1 negative already there, plus 3 equal to y divided by 2 plus 12, correct or no? Equal to 1 divided by minus 3 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Is it okay all? Writing this step okay or not? Okay, then next step, x divided by minus 21 equal to y divided by 14 equal to 1 by minus 7. Okay, others, look, this one, x by minus 21 equal to 1 by minus 7. 7x equal to 21. Y was negative, positive. First step, now you have to explain what? Okay. 7x, I already grabbed that one. Okay, okay, x equal to 3. Okay, then this one, minus 7y equal to 14, y equal to minus 2. Okay, it's clear now. First step, step number 1, writing the x, y, and the values. Step number 1, writing the step number 1. You look, 3x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. 4x minus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. X, y, 1. Under x, write the coefficients. What? 2 minus 5. Okay. Under minus 10 minus 5. 3, 4, 2 minus 5. This part. This is the step number 1. First write x, y, 1. Then under x, you write the coefficients of y, 2 minus 5. Under y, you write the constant terms, minus 10, minus 5. Under 1, x coefficients, 3 and 4. Then one more line, that is the coefficients of y, 2 minus 5. The ones. Clear now? Okay, now look at here. Hello. Now, still listen. Today we have again one more hour is there. I'm not doing any other methods today. This full time will spend only for this method because you have to learn this one. Okay. Take our all the questions. Last 10 questions you did with the substitution elimination. One by one you try. Okay. If not matching the answer. Okay. Listen. If you are not sincerely not doing, you'll suffer it. Okay. If you want to learn this method, you do it. Okay. I cannot force because you're sitting at your home. If it is here, okay, I can. Okay. Online classes like you have to show your sincerity. Okay. So do one thing, you have to learn. Otherwise, problem is later we miss this method. No one can help you because there is no time for that. We are today spending a full class only for one method. Okay. So take the questions. Last question we did, I think 10 questions, I think, correct or not? 10 questions we did, right? Okay, this 10 questions, 11 questions, okay, 11 or 10. Each question, right, solved by, first heading, right, solved by cross multiplication method. Each question, you work out by cross multiplication, check the answer, matching or not. If not matching, tell me, I'll explain that again, too fast. Okay, now the turn, your turn now, okay? Almost 1 hour, I explained this one. Okay. Okay, start now. Yeah, that is okay. Forget about Dilna. 11 of the, do your first. Yes, so others sometimes, Aditya, sometimes the question may ask using cross multiplication method, solve it. Okay, otherwise you can use any method. Solve x and y, any method you can use it. Okay, but some particular questions, cross multiplication is very easy. Okay, this now Sri Kumaran saying for him cross multiplication is very simple for him. So depends on the person. Okay, what do you feel? Aksha, Abel, Aditya, what do you feel? It's easy, then okay. Compared to now, you have three methods. There is okay. It is careful but easy. Not to think about. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, then try now. Elimination tough. Yes, elimination actually. Listen, elimination. Elimination is in logic. You have to work out it. Logic mind. Okay. But here, any police can do it. Just multiplication only now. Okay, anybody can do it. Okay, try now. This 11 question is there. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, try now. Yes, all questions. What is some question? Some there is no. There is x and y. How come like that? Which question I'm sure that? In some sums there is only x and y, no constant terms. Which one? Which one that? Without constant term. How like that? I didn't give any question like that. Which, tell me an example, right? Tell me. What is that? X plus y only? Yeah, x plus y equal to 10 minus 10, x equal to 1. So that means what? 1, 1. X means what? X means coefficient. Yeah, you can take x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. X plus y minus 10 equal to 0. The first I told you that one, but bring it one side. X plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Then here 1, minus 10, like that. Okay. Okay, work out all the question, and if not matching, tell me that question I'll do here. Okay. Divansh, are you okay now? Okay, look at here, one doubt question. Look at here, 11x plus 15y. Look. Okay, now don't type anyone. Listen here. 11x plus 15y minus how much? Plus 23 equal to 0. Then 7x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay. So what? X, y, 1. 15 minus 2, 23 minus 20, 11, 7, 15 minus 2. Okay. Divansh, this writing okay or not? Vinaya, Srinivasan. 15 minus 2, 23 minus 20, 11, 7, 15 minus 2. Okay. Divansh. Okay, now what to do? We don't want the question here now. Here. Okay, look. X divided by 15 into minus 20. How much? Minus 300. 2 negative plus 46. Why 2 negative? Understood? No? y2 negative minus 2, 1 negative behind the screen. Okay, plus equal to y divided by 23 into 7, how much? 161. 23 into 7, how much? 23 into 7, how much? 173. 23 into 7, 161. Okay, 161 plus 20 into 11, 220 plus 220 equal to 1 by minus 22 minus, because no negative here, only one negative. 15 into 7, 105. Okay. Up to that. Okay. Okay, now you can do it now. Hello, equate this one, equate this one, you can finish it. Okay, Divansh, you try now. What's the problem, Disha? Hey, there is another doubt. Why again same question doubt? Okay, look at here. Okay, there is one more question doubt. 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Pradesha, I think Inaya also asked this question. Inaya also listen. Okay, this question, make it one side. 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Bring it all one side. Minus 1 coming to the side, plus 1 also coming to the side. Okay, clear now, Pradesha and Inaya. Okay, Pradesha. No, let me finish this doubt. Okay, so I'll wait. Yeah, first time and last, second and last. Okay, wait. Now listen. Answer coming correct, we'll discuss it. Okay. So x, y, 1, minus 5, minus 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 5, minus 1. This is writing correct or not? Check. Pradesha and Inaya, this is writing correct or not? Okay, then what is the problem? Look at here. Maybe next step is wrong. X divided by minus 5 plus 1. Is it correct or not? Check. Minus 5 plus 1. Correct or not? That also correct. Come on. Y divided by 1 minus 3. This is also correct. 1 minus 3. Is it correct? This is also correct. That's the problem. Radisha, 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 3. One negative only. So equal to 1 divided by minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3, 1 into minus 5, that is become plus 5. Okay. Then next one. Look, Sath, x divided by minus 4. Y divided by minus 2. 1 by 2. Equate this. X by minus 4 equal to 1 by 2 implies 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 2. Correct or not? X equal to minus 2, is it answer? Correct or not? X equal to minus 2. Equating man, x equal to constant. Kashina, equating what? You understand what? Equate this one. You have to find x. This arrow is on. No, look. Hello, this arrow you can see. Look, this one. Come on, you can see that arrow, Kashina. Look, this is going to here, constant. So we got x by minus 4 equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 2. Clear or not? Okay. After that, now we need y. Y cross here. Y by minus 2 equal to 1 by 2, which implies 2y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. Clear now? Pradesha, clear or not? Inaya. Okay. So now work out full. Okay. This only I did know. Kashinath, this question just now I did. Kashinath. This only I did just now. Actually, one question enough. You try to understand one question. Rest of method all same. Okay. Shvi, look at here. There is a doubt question. Come on. Listen now. Hello. Listen now. I'm explaining one question. So listen now. 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the question. Shvi, listen here. For all doubt, listen here. Okay. So x, y, 1. Okay. Look. Then 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 8 1 no 2 1 3 minus 2. This step correct or not? Shvi. Look at this. 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 8 2 1 3 minus. This step correct or not? Okay. Then what is the problem? Look. Next step, x divided by 3 into minus 8 minus 24. Look here, how many negative? You answer. Here, how many negative? 3 negative. 3 negative means minus 4 equal to y divided by minus 2 plus 16. Why 2 negatives equal to 1 divided by minus 4 minus 3. This is correct? This step correct or not? This step correct or not? Hello, yes. Oh, this is also correct. Then what's the problem? Then x divided by minus 28, y divided by 14, 1 divided by minus 7. What about this one, correct? Hello, is it okay? Okay. Last is what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Okay, now you can manage, right? So now you equate and find out. Okay. Others, getting or not? Others, is it okay? Nia. Dilna. What are you saying? I do all the question work out it, all the question. Okay, then only practice it. Don't check your answer. Check your all. Cross check again. If correct answer is not fractions, sir. Correct answer. First you got fraction. Fraction not haram. Maybe sometimes haram. Sometimes you get fraction. But in elimination method, substitution method, what you got? Okay, Sri Kumar, finish all. Okay. Okay. Okay, Asma, not getting. Okay, look at here. Look, x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 2x, okay, look at here, x, y, 1. 2 minus 3, 1 minus 12, 1, 2, 2 minus 3. Right? Asma, you have this one. 2 minus 3, 1, 12, 1, 2, 2 minus. Yeah, 2 minus. It's okay, Asma. Okay, then you got this one. Then what's the problem? This is the main thing. Okay, x divided by, okay, minus 24 plus 3 equal to y divided by 2 plus 12. Correct or no? Equal to 1 divided by minus 3 minus 4. Okay. You got this one, this line? Okay, corrected now? Okay. So finish it first, then I'll give some homework also. You have to practice it. Okay. So school holiday now, Sunday, tomorrow, right? Yeah, okay. Wait. I'll give the homeworks. Okay. Okay. Finish all. I'll give you some work. Okay. Homework, you have to do it. So one full day, use this method. Okay, wait. I'll give the homework. Okay. No, I understand it. You practice it. Practice it. Okay, what is the problem, Anne? Okay, and those who are doubt this question. Okay, look at here. 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, right? And ready now? Hello, Anne. Look, 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. X, y, x, y, 1. 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 8 2 1 3 minus 2. You wrote like this. 3 minus 2 minus 2 8 2 1 minus 3 minus 2. You have this one, right? Okay. Now look, then problem is calculation issues. Okay, minus 24 minus 4. You have this one. 3 negative, 1 negative in your pocket, minus 2 minus 3 negative. That means negative minus 4. Yeah, okay. Anyway, maybe she didn't listen to that. Okay, clear now. And okay. Hello. Okay, then equal to y divided by minus 2 plus 16. Y minus 2 minus 2, 2 negatives, 16 equal to 1 divided by minus 4 minus 3. Is it okay? You got like this? Okay, so you didn't get. Okay, correct it now because minus 4, 1 into 3, minus 3. Okay. So now all the guys write the homework questions. Hello, write the homework questions. Okay. You have to practice this one. Okay. X plus 1. Maybe we did already. X plus y equal to 3. 4x minus 3y equal to 26. 2. 2x plus 3y equal to 0. That means C is 0 here. Okay. 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Okay. 3. 2x minus 3y equal to 13. 7x minus 2y equal to 20. 4. 3x minus 5y minus 19 equal to 0. Minus 7x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. After getting the answer, hello, you can hear, after getting the answer, you can substitute here. You can check whether correct or not. After getting the answer, make sure the correct or not. Okay. Yeah, only cross multiplication. Okay. No. You try. Listen. Try all the 3 methods. We come to no. All the 3 methods. Try. Okay, Sringumaran. That's a good question you asked me. Sringumaran. It's you asked me a good question. It's a good question you asked. He asked you only cross multiplication. Okay. Better 4 question only. No. You try 3 methods. Yes. Minus 19. All the 3 methods. Then we come to know matching or not. We'll see one more question, man. Okay, I'll give you one more question. 2x, question number 5, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. Only 5. These 5 questions, first try substitution elimination, cross multiplication. Okay. Then we come to know whether we are matching or not. Clear now? Okay. Okay, this is enough today. So happy Easter. Okay, tomorrow holiday. Okay, tomorrow holiday here. Our batch is full holiday. Batch B holiday. Okay. Okay. It's enough. Complete all the work. So